Today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie using your own broccoli sprouts. These are fresh broccoli sprouts, and when they're fresh, I usually consume them in a salad. Normally I make them with frozen broccoli sprouts, but due to timing, I'm gonna make them fresh today. I took some out of the jar, and here is what they look like. And I'm going to be making the smoothie for 2 people, so you want probably about a tablespoon per person, and this is approximately about that much. And I'm gonna make this a super antioxidant, super healthy shake, so I'm going to add fresh turmeric. And for those of you that don't know, the potency of powdered turmeric only lasts for about 30 days after it was created. So unless you have a date of manufacturing, you probably have no idea how old the turmeric is. So I recommend that you use fresh turmeric. I'm also going to add some ginger, which is fresh, some oil or nuts to help with the absorption. So you can use walnuts or peanuts. And then I'll add a banana and some other fruits. Another important thing is you don't want to use milk. I'm going to use coconut milk. And the reason is that the casein in milk will block the absorption of the sulforaphane from your broccoli sprouts. So I'm going to be using organic coconut milk. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my Vitamix blender. If you want to know more about this blender, I have a video about it. I'll put the link in the description. So first, let's grind some of these hard ingredients and the broccoli sprouts. Turmeric and our ginger, our nuts. Another thing, you're going to need black pepper because that helps your body absorb the curcumin from the turmeric. This is a dash spoon, it's real small, and I won't even use the whole spoon. I'll use about half of it. I'm assuming the dash is about 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, so now that we've grinded that up, let's add some fruit. All right, 1 banana, 1 orange. You can use any fruits that you like. Today we decided to make a yellow smoothie. So banana, orange, and frozen mango. And I'm gonna use about 1 cup. And it's going to need more coconut milk. I'm not exactly sure how much. I'm just gonna pour some in and blend it and then see how it goes. It's time to taste it. It's delicious. I wish you good health. Cheers.